Okay, here's the shortest YouTube video on the internet for cleaning up fogged headlights. Here's a fogged headlight on my wife's Volvo. This line here was caused by using some other product that actually wound up scratching the lens, but you can see the rest of the lens is somewhat foggy. In here you can't see, it's yellowed out. And what I did was saw another video on the internet that said to use this, and this is 3M rubbing compound. I got it at Autozone for 11 bucks. You could probably buy it 1,000 other places for less. And all I did was put about a $half sized dollop on a towel, and I rubbed it for less than 2 minutes, and the headlight pretty much cleared up. I still have this scratched out portion from some other crap that I used, but the glass itself is see-through. It's clear. And here's the other one. And you can see it's foggy and stained. So it came off, and I've used about 6 different products, about 20 different YouTube videos, and this was by far the easiest. 3M rubbing compound came right off. Good luck.